Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix V-Bucks not showing up on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you.
As you can see guys, I'm right now in Epic Games website, but I found a guide that explains perfectly how you can fix this problem. So right now, as you can see guys right here, my V-Bucks did not show even after I redeemed my secondary code on PlayStation or Xbox. What should I do? If your V-Bucks are not showing, please try the following. The first step is to sign into Fortnite on the same platform where you used your secondary code. If you have signed into the correct account, this will trigger the redemption. Step 2. Check any other accounts you have. If the V-Bucks have been applied to the wrong account, follow the instructions below to contact Epic Support and we can help. The third step is contact PlayStation or Xbox support and ask for help redeeming your secondary code. So basically guys, if you are a PlayStation user, just click on this link and then you can go here to this link or just type it playstation.com/support. Or you can go to Xbox support. If the above step did not help, reach out to Epic support. Click the Contact Us button at the bottom of the page. Include the Epic account ID and the display name of the Fortnite account. If needed, also include the Epic account ID and the display name of the Fortnite account that the V-Bucks were incorrectly added to. For more info on Epic account IDs, check out what is an Epic account ID and where can I find it. So basically guys, this is it for this video. Try following these steps and your problem will be fixed. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and see you guys in the next video.